This free tutorial will show you and guide you through on how to add a Santa Claus voice AI in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have a music or audio piece that you'd like to add the AI Santa Claus voice, this tutorial will guide you through on how to access the cloud videos with I Got You. Click select or highlight your music or audio piece, go to the top right hand screen and click voice changer or the second option. And then click voice characters, which should be the second option next to voice filters and singing voices. Now we have the original voice like so, the Telegram app. You want to scroll down and locate the option until you see Santa. In this case, wait for Capcut PC to load and apply the voice.
This tutorial will guide you through on how to access the cloud videos with the Telegram app completely for free.